Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best Shopify themes for one product. Selling just one standout product can be a really effective e-commerce strategy when done right. The key here is to make that one product the absolute star of the show. I'll show you examples of great one product stores, break down the elements that make them work, and then give you tips for setting up your own focused, professional looking Shopify store. But for now, let's take a look at some examples of one product stores done well so you can get ideas and inspiration. After doing some research, I found a lot of stores selling all kinds of models and brands, and I came across this one store that caught my eye. They only sell one skincare product. Let's look at it and see what they're doing well. So firstly, they're focused on a single product line, skincare, not selling any unrelated products. They are using clean, simple design that keeps all the focus on the star product. We have clear explanations of what the product is, what it's for, and why you need it. There's also options to take a quiz and reach customer support to reassure the shoppers. We've got reviews, bundles, and special offers all centered around this one hero product. This is a great example of a one product store done right. It's front and center throughout, and they don't distract that focus. So based on examples like that, here are some key elements to include in your own one product Shopify store. We have a hero banner featuring your star product prominently. Big bold imagery that grabs attention. Clear messaging in the banner with your product name, tagline, and a compelling slogan. It would be great if you had a dedicated section right up front going into detail about your product, the problem it solves, and the key selling points. This is where you can convince visitors that they need this product right now. Include product images, demo videos, customer reviews, buying options, bundles, and whatever helps showcase your product's value. You can always offer a limited time discount or free gift to create urgency around buying the product now. Also, only sell variants of your one product, such as different sizes, maybe colors, etc. Just don't include any unrelated products that could distract your shop's focus. Keeping all the focus on your star product is essential. You want visitors to have their attention locked in from the moment they arrive at your shop. Now let's walk through actually setting up a focused one product Shopify store using these strategies and tips. Rather than investing in a paid theme already, I recommend starting with the free Dawn or Sense theme that comes built in. It's simple and customizable that you can use to center it around your product. Simply go to online store themes and make sure that Sense is enabled. Then go to your product and create a collection featuring just your one product. With your product collection made, go back to your Sense theme. You will see it's a blank slate, which is perfect for building your one product focus. Start by adding a strong product image banner at the top. You can search for free images if you need, but using your own great photos is best. Include your product name and a headline. Then below that, add sections calling out your product's benefits, features, and details. Really sell people on why they need this product and why it's the perfect solution for them. Consider including demos, reviews, discount, and so on to showcase the value of your star product, but only what supports that one product, so nothing distracting. You can always take inspiration from successful one product stores, but customize the content to best fit your specific product. With the theme sections and customization, you can quickly build a shop tailored perfectly to spotlight your one remarkable product. Now let's move on to why a one product Shopify store can be effective. Creating an entire store just around one extraordinary product can be extremely effective for many reasons. It allows you to devote all of your time and energy into making just that one product a huge success, instead of spreading yourself thin across many products. Visitors immediately understand what your shop is all about. There is no confusion about your focus or the value proposition. Also, with no distractions, you can deeply educate customers on your product and convince them it's exactly what they need. Usually, with one product stores, customers feel special knowing they've discovered this amazing product that can solve their problem, instead of just another general store. You can position yourself as an expert on this one excellent product, building trust and loyalty with the customers. The one product approach works best for established brands with a hero product or inventors with an innovative new product concept. You truly only need one outstanding star player to carry your store. When you incorporate these strategies and tips, you would then realize just how tremendous these results can really be. Here are some real-world examples of successful one-product online businesses. You've got the Purple mattress. With patent technology, Purple made a huge splash selling their uniquely comfortable gel mattress direct to consumer. The entirety of their brand revolves around this one hero product. If you haven't heard of it already, we've got BlendJet. This portable blender built their whole brand around making the personal blender experience more convenient and fun on the go. This was an ideal one product store opportunity that I've personally seen grow exponentially. So as you can see, devoting your entire store to one outstanding innovative product can be a smart move under the right circumstances. When you fully commit to and optimize around a single star player, the results can be huge. While a focused one product store can be highly effective, as we can see, there are also some mistakes that we need to avoid. Avoid choosing a bland product thinking you can make a boring product exciting. You need a truly remarkable product that people love. You should avoid novice dropshipping errors like bad photos or descriptions. You must showcase your store properly. Also, make sure that you don't add random extra products just to flesh out your catalog. Only stick to variants of your one-star product. Never neglect branding and marketing. You still need to get the word out about your one product store. These were some rookie mistakes or growth decisions that will undermine the core focus. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. And that will be a wrap for today's video. I hope that you found this video helpful or informative to watch. Let us know if you have any other e-commerce topics that you'd like us to cover in future videos. And if you found this video enjoyable or informative to watch, let us know by leaving a like on this video and subscribing so you don't miss out on any follow-up topics that we cover in the future.